League of Legends won't start because of the VAN 1067 error? Here's how you can get back into the action, quickly. First, restart your PC and the Riot client. Sometimes, that's all it takes. If that doesn't work, try reinstalling both Vanguard and League of Legends for a clean start. Next, check that the VGC service is set to automatic. Just open your Windows Start menu, type Services, find VGC, and set it to automatic. Don't forget to click Apply, OK, and Start, then restart your computer. If you're on Windows 11, make sure TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled in your BIOS or UEFI settings. Still stuck? Run a full malware scan. Vanguard doesn't like suspicious software. You can also reset your network settings. Open Command Prompt as admin and enter net schwinsock reset, net int IP reset, and IP config flush DNs. Restart again. Finally, disable or uninstall any software that could conflict with Vanguard, like remote desktop apps or third-party anti-cheats. Try these steps and you'll be back on the Rift in no time.